Look here, all of you. Here, Nana, the question is to take the thin rod, Nana, thin rod. Look here, all of you. Here, Nana, this is the thin rod. This rod mass is capital M. This rod length is capital L. What is the thin rod mass, Nana? Capital M. Thin rod length is L. In the situation, look here, Nana. Axis passing through center of mass. For example, this rod anukondi. Axis passing through center of mass perpendicular to plane. In the situation, axis passing through center of mass and perpendicular to plane. Okay? In the situation, about this axis, body moment of inertia is simply ICM, moment of inertia of a thin rod. Axis passing through center of mass formula is ml square by 12. This will be derived actually, but unnecessary for derivation. Okay? What is the question? Thin rod, axis passing through center of mass. What is the formula for ICM? ml square by 12. In the situation, this is the thin rod. In the situation, axis passing through one end. And perpendicular to plane. About this axis, moment of inertia of thin rod can be calculated. We know that axis passing through center of mass. What is the ICM formula? L square by 12. Nana, the distance between two axes is L by 2. This is small r. Small r is perpendicular distance between two axes. These two axes are here. Both are parallel. In the situation, which theorem applicable? Parallel axis theorem. What is the parallel axis theorem? I equal to ICM plus mr square. Here ICM we know that ml square by 12 plus m into r is L by 2, r square L by 4. Right side whole by 12. Here ml square plus 3 ml square. Simply 4 ml square by 12. Finally ml square by 3. ml square by 3. Look here, all of you. Okay, Nana? Look here, all of you, Nana. Look here, all of you. In the situation, all of you, look here, Nana. This is the circular ring, Nana. Circular ring. In the situation, circular ring circular ring means inside no mass is present. In the circular ring of mass denoted by capital M and its radius denoted by capital R. Okay? In the situation, axis passing through center of mass and perpendicular to plane. Look here. This pen like a axis. For example, this is the ring. Here, this pen acts as a axis. In the situation, the formula for ICM is ring kada idi mr square. Look here now. What is the equation? mr square. Here, axis passing through center of mass and perpendicular to plane. Next question. Here, in the situation, this is the ring nana. In the situation, according to this question, axis passing through tangent perpendicular to plane. We know that this situation here, this is ICM. This will be calculated. Here I will be calculated. Perpendicular distance between two axes according to diagram R. In the situation, look here. These two axes both are parallel. Two axes both are parallel. We apply parallel axis theorem. What is the parallel axis theorem? I equal to ICM plus mr square. Already ICM value mr square. Okay? Small r equal to capital R. Finally we get 2mr square. Equation number 2. Repeat the question. Circular ring, axis passing through center of mass perpendicular to plane is mr square. Axis passing through tangent perpendicular to plane 2mr square. Another question is, look here all of you. Axis passing through diameter. This is the diameter. This is the diameter. According to physics, this is Ix. This is Iy. We know that this value, this is passing through center of mass perpendicular to plane. In the situation, this is represented by dotted line. Here. In the situation, Iz perpendicular to plane, Ix, Iy in the plane. In the situation, we apply perpendicular axis theorem. That is, Iz equal to out of the plane equal to Ix plus Iy. Okay? In the situation, out of the plane, we know that Iz is nothing but the ICM because here also axis passing through center of mass perpendicular to plane. In the ring, Iz formula mr square. According to symmetry, Ix, Iy in the plane and on the diameter both are same. I plus I 2I. What is the formula for I? M r square by 2. Equation number 3. Next nana. Next nana. This is the circular ring nana. Mass is capital M. Radius is capital R. In the situation, this is the diameter. Diameter formula m r square by 2. This is passing through the center of mass, so this has a ICM. The question is, axis passing through tangent and parallel to plane. Diameter, parallel to plane. In the situation, I value is how much? This is the question. According to both are parallel, what is the parallel axis theorem? I equal to ICM plus m into small r square. Small r is distance between two parallel axes. According to diagram, small r is capital R. In the situation, what is the ICM? m r square by 2 plus m into small r right as capital R square. Finally, we get 3 by 2 mr square. ఇత్తొక్కలో కొలంత అవసరమా? డైరెక్ట్గా ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. రింగ్ యాక్సిస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ and perpendicular to plane, ICM formula is mr square. Look here. Next concept nana, circular ring completed. Next I discuss circular disc. What is the difference between ring and disc? Ring have inside no mass. Disc have some mass. Mass is present inside. This disc mass capital M. This disc radius capital R. What is the first question? Axis passing through center of mass and perpendicular to plane. This derivation not necessary for yours nana. The formula directly learn. Circular disc m r square by 2. Circular ring m r square. Circular disc m r square by 2. Thin rod ml square by 12. Here axis passing through. Look here now. Axis passing through tangent and perpendicular to plane. Look here nana. This known. This is ICM. We know that ICM formula is mr square by 2. Find its moment of inertia. According to diagram, this is one axis. This is another axis according to question. Both are parallel. We apply parallel axis theorem. I means ICM plus mr square. Here ICM value here right. mr square by 2 plus mr square right as 3 by 2 mr square. Okay, this is the formula. Next nana, look here. This is circular disc nana. Look here all of you. This is circular disc. In the circular disc, axis passing through diameter. This also diameter. This is Ix. This is Iy. Determine axis passing through diameter. This we know that ICM mr square by 2 because this is circular disc. Here perpendicular axis theorem, out of the plane equal to sum of in the plane. Iz we know that out of the plane mr square by 2. Symmetry, this is the diameter, this is the diameter. Both axes are same. 2i. Simply I equal to mr square by 4. Look here now. Okay. In the situation, the question is fourth question. First read the question perfectly. Axis passing through tangent and parallel to the plane. Here, this is diameter. Diameter, axis passing through center of mass. This is mr square by 4. In the situation, this is the axis, this is the axis. Both axes are parallel. We apply which theorem? Parallel axis theorem. What is the parallel axis theorem? I equal to ICM plus mr square. Here small r indicate perpendicular distance between two parallel axes. In the situation, what is the ICM? ICM is mr square by 4 plus m into small r right as capital R. Finally, we get I equal to 5 mr square by 4. This is the formula for I. Okay? ఇదంతా వద్దునా నాకు డైరెక్ట్గా రింగ్ యాక్సిస్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ మాస్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ప్లేన్ mr స్క్వేర్. థిన్ రాడ్ ml స్క్వేర్ by 12. డిస్క్ mr స్క్వేర్ by 2. సాలిడ్ స్పియర్ in the solid sphere nana, this is the sphere nana, this is the sphere nana. This sphere mass is capital M. This sphere radius is capital R. In the sphere, in the solid sphere, in the solid sphere, axis passing through the center of mass along the diameter. This is solid sphere is best example is earth globe. Okay. In the situation, directly I give moment of inertia of a solid sphere. Axis passing through the center of mass is 2 by 5 m r square. 2 by 5 m r square. Look here, all of you. Next one. Here, this is look like. This is the solid sphere. Okay. We know that axis passing through the diameter ICM is 2 by 5 m r square. This is the axis. Axis passing through the tangent parallel to the diameter. Here the agenda is axis passing through the tangent. With respect to this axis, moment of inertia of the body determined. Both are parallel and distance between two axes is capital R. Okay? Here, what is the parallel axis theorem? Both axes are parallel. We apply parallel axis theorem. I equal to ICM plus mr square. ICM is 2 by 5 mr square plus m into small r right as capital R. In the situation mr square common, 2 by 5 plus 1 write as 7 by 5. This is the moment of inertia of the solid sphere passing through the axis, passing through the tangent. Look here now. Here. Next, I discuss directly hollow sphere. Hollow sphere, other name spherical shell. What is the difference between solid sphere and hollow sphere? Inside mass is present, that sphere is called solid sphere. Inside no mass, that is called hollow sphere. In the hollow sphere, axis passing through the axis passing through the diameter. In the situation, ICM formula is 2 by 3 mr square. Here, the axis passing through the tangent. Here, 2 by 3 mr square. Okay? Here, 2 by 3 mr square. In the situation, 2 by 3 plus 1, simply 5 by 3 mr square. Please write running notes also, Nana. Dear students, please write running notes. Alafi bye, Nana.